Friday, making some death-proof nachos. You gotta get some of that shredded cheddar cheese there, and you put it all over them with jalapenos on there. Get those loaded. Ooh, that's kind of hot. I should have probably. Then load that in there to your air fryer. Yeah, that didn't work out the way I wanted, but that's good. They're in there. Then you're gonna want to take some of the hottest peppers you can find in your garden. And you're going to want to chop those up really fine. You're going to put that in some salsa over here and stir all that in really good. Now I got a secret ingredient here. This is chili powder I made myself. So that is some smoke roasted New Mexico chilies that I made on my barbecue. You just put a little bit of that in there and stir that in. So that's going to make a nice roasty smoky flavor in there too. Let that sit for a few minutes with that pepper. Oh yeah. If it starts making you choke a little bit, that's probably going to be good. And there you go, death-proof nachos with death-proof salsa. A little serving suggestion there. Put some of that on there. A little sour cream wouldn't hurt either. Make it a little more